Okay, so today I've got some bass fillets, and we're going to make a very yummy, crunchy fillets of fish. And I've crunched up a packet of salt and vinegar chips. So we're going to crumb the fish in the salt and vinegar chips. We're going to put some flour on first, then do the normal things that you do when you're crumbing a fish: flour, egg, then the crumb, and then in the oil. So I've had my fry pan on for a minute or so, and now I'm going to, and it's heated up, and now I'm going to put in the oil. And you might like to test your heights with your oil. Whatever fry pan you're using, try just using water first and seeing if it comes up to about 1 centimetre or half a centimetre, and then you know how much oil to put in. Okay, so I'll just do one by actually guessing. Fry pan. That's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll just let that heat up. It won't take long because the fry pan was hot. We are not going to put any fingers in the fry pan to test it because we won't have any fingerprints left. So what I'm going to do is get a little bit of the crumb out. When I think it's ready, I'm going to put some crumb, most of the crumb, 3/4 of the crumb on the plate, and do the first two, because it'll only fit in 2 pieces of fish in this fry pan. I'll start doing my fish. So I'm doing any sort of white fish will do. Good. So any sort of flour. I think I've just got self-raising flour. It gets mucky, this job, but it's fun. And I've set it in the crumbs. Pat it down. I think I'll put some more crumbs in the fish. I've just got the crumbs and the flour on a plate. And these are fairly thin fillets. It all depends, you know, what you get on the day. I think 2 minutes each side. And because I can only fit 2 in the fry pan at a time, I'm going to put the first 2 in the oven. And I'll just test it with a pinch of crumbs and see if I think it's hot enough on the fry pan. And no, not yet. It's not sizzling. I think that oil should be ready. Yep. Okay. I'm going to pick the fish up, and I'm going to lay the fish away from me so you don't get any splash. Yep. control what I'm doing better with little tongs. So let's see if she's right. Okay, now massage.
Perfect.
And then we'll do another 2 minutes on that side, and then we'll pop it in the oven. And the other 2 pieces. Be back with you soon. I'm back with you. We have some beautiful pieces of fish. I just gave them about another 2 minutes in the oven. So all up, they had about 6 minutes cooking. And it's one of those things with fish and steak, you've got to cook it to its thickness. So it's thicker, it takes longer. Thinner, not as long. Okay, now, first piece. Oh, got it in it. Oh yeah, that's good. That's cooked. Fell apart. And I'm just going to drizzle over some balsamic vinegar over some lettuce greens. And that's our Sunday lunch with some lemon on the side. We're ready to rock and roll.